Rigsby's Barely Used Auto Parts, post-installation instructions for engines. Thank you for choosing us. Before you take your vehicle home, there are things you need to know. Read the back of your invoice for maintenance and other requirements. Bring your vehicle back within 10 business days for a free recheck. No appointment needed. Observe your vehicle carefully. Monitor your gauges and fluids and any other warning signs. Here are some things to watch for. Watch for overheating, steam, smoke, and smells, abnormal gauge readings, proper fluid levels, and leaks while parked. If any of these happen, stop driving and pull over safely. Never drive an overheated vehicle. Call us right away. We will advise you of your next steps. Don't void your warranty. Read both sides of your invoice. Perform regular maintenance. Keep your receipts. Carefully observe your vehicle. Don't drive your vehicle overheated. This will melt your new heat tabs and immediately void your warranty. Call with any questions. Thank you for choosing us, Rigsby's Barely Used Auto Parts.